In the BNTouch CRM, your Mortgages tab functions as a database of all of your borrowers, and each mortgage record allows you to store information, communicate with, and perform other actions regarding that individual borrower. In order to enable the many tools and features throughout your CRM, each record can track contact information and mortgage details for your clients. The information you enter for each borrower will be used elsewhere in your CRM for campaign triggers, calendar reminders, email communication, and more. In the Mortgages tab, you can open any client's record by clicking their blue Name link. Here, the data stored for the borrower is separated into a series of subtabs. The first subtab, Contact Info, contains basic information for the borrower. This includes personal information like their name, social security number, and date of birth, various types of contact information, their preferred language, their mailing address, and social media links. To the right, you can also enter data for the co-borrower if applicable. The Preferred Language drop-down menu can be used to ensure each client receives the most effective marketing material. If your marketing campaigns use the multi-language feature, any that are sent to this client will automatically match their preferred language. A photo and logo can be uploaded from your computer for each record to personalize each borrower in your CRM. To the right, you can enter any miscellaneous information you need, as well as the source of the lead and their time zone. If you add, change, or remove any information in a client's record, remember to click the Update Record button below before navigating away to save your work. For security reasons, any changes to a borrower or co-borrower's social security number will only be saved if the boxes next to these fields have been checked. Specific details for the borrower's mortgage can be managed in the Mortgage Info subtab. Here, data fields are organized into collapsible sections that can be expanded or hidden by clicking the section header. These headers will display how many fields are contained therein, as well as the number that have been filled out. The current status of collapsed and expanded fields can be saved for the record using the Save View button at the top of the record. When you reopen the client's record, the collapsible sections will be opened or closed in the same configuration as they were when you saved the view. Many fields are included in this sub-tab regarding the client's status in your system, their employment and loan information, details about their property, answers to survey questions, and even personal details. Many of these fields will be referenced elsewhere in your CRM, so be sure to fill in as much information as you can in order to get the most out of BNTouch. For example, the system category has important status fields for the client's presence in your CRM. Their step in your marketing sequence can be changed here, as well as their status. If the record was imported from an LOS software, you can see the file name of the client here too. Any miscellaneous fields that have been enabled will appear in the Extra Fields section, which can be customized by your administrator. The Mark as New button will make the record appear in bold in the mortgage record list as if it had not been opened yet. If you connect your CRM with an external LOS, you can save the record as a Fannie Mae 3.2 file by entering a file name in the LOS file name field, updating the client's record, then clicking the Fannie Mae 3.2 button at the top of the page. If you use the BNTouch 1003 loan application, you can access the 1003 post-FNM file in the Documents subtab of the client's record. If you want any changes to mortgage fields to be logged in this client's record, check the Log Changes into Tracker button. This will create a new tracker event whenever data is changed and the mortgage record is updated. The area to the right will be an overview of the record in your system. The green buttons can be used to opt the borrower in or out for mailing, calling, emailing, or borrower portal communication. If your administrator has enabled the BNTouch voice module for your account, you can click the phone number links here to call the client directly from your computer. Portal invite links can be used to invite the borrower to access their portal site. You can access their portal as they would see it using the Click to Visit link, and you can send an invite that contains the borrower's portal password by clicking the With Password link. The buttons below can be used to instantly send an email, print a mailing label, print a letter from your documents library, or send an SMS message to the borrower and/or co-borrower if you have the requisite modules enabled. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.